Oh shit. Thought I have my flashlight. Okay guys, so we're going to a secret club.
We are. All together.
It's a secret club.
Whoa.
It's called... Wait. Oh my god. Are you ready? Wait, Megan, did you put batteries in these? Yeah, let's put some on the...
Look at the scariest decoration of all.
Do you wanna put all the chairs on?
Hi.
Where's the other? Oh, here, right?
Oh, this one too.
You even turn off that one.
Oh my god, it looks so freaking cool. This is literally perfect.
Okay, I think.
Can I crack it?
Yeah, do it.
I don't think it breaks like that. Guys, you see the cotton candy on the side of the drink? And then this one too. You excited, Michi?
Hey.
Hey guys, so oh my god, I just fucked it up. Hey guys, so we went to Chica's Chicken. And everyone wants to show what you got. Oh, you got the same stuff, but it's just a little bit different. Holy, your thing's like smoky from here. Yeah. Looks good, looks good. Let me show you guys a little cross section. Oh yeah.
Oh, is that I'm scared. I'm really scared. Just do it.
Oh my god.
I'm really scared. Go.
You.
Oh my god, this is so bad.
My eyes.
Bro, it's not even working.
Bro! You shake it, bro? Shake it! You just gotta do it. Just full send. Oh! Yes, you are. I was so
Yeah, buddy.
Well, there's gold in it, so you
Tell me your secrets, I'm not messy.
Sing!
Steady before we go steady. Wait. I wanna put you in my life.
Okay guys, so this is my little haul. I got this fleece thing. It's so fucking soft. There's pockets. What? I didn't even know. It's like a half zip. It's from Uniqlo. It's a men's small. I freaking love it. Oh my god, it's so soft. It was like $45. Let me show you just a quick haul. Honestly, I kind of like this little lighting situation. I barely got anything. I got the oat cleansing balm and the Inky List. This was like $13 and it's a really good size. And it is basically I got it as a first cleanser. I've heard really good things about it. It's good for like redness and sensitive skin. And I have a lot of redness, so can't wait to try that. I was initially taking off my makeup with grapeseed oil from a heritage store. But as you can see, I ran out. So that's better. And oil like spills everywhere. Then I got this. Oh my god, I was thinking about this for like a month. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 40. It's a black amber plum and vanilla wood smell. And I still have it sprayed on here. Oh my god, it just smells so like light and like girly, but not like a childish perfume. It's very soft. That's like the best way I can describe it. Like, it's sweet. It is like vanilla. It's pretty sweet. You do smell kind of like a plummy, like pomegranate smell, and it's just very nice and soft. It's like intoxicating to me. I was thinking about the smell the entire month. This is 90 milliliters. This was $26 for 90 milliliters. It's a body spray and like a hair mist. It doesn't last like that long, but it's whatever, love. And then I got that's literally all I got. That's literally all I got. This, and then I got Chick-fil-A. That's it.
Oh, I swear I got more stuff. Maybe not. Okay, so I got this Centella Calming Gel Cream with Centella Atiacica and tea tree leaf water. It was like 10 bucks, 11 bucks. Then this is what I'm so excited for. It was recommended by Gothamista, who is literally the skincare goddess. It is basically like you would consider it a lotion. It's by Hada Labo, and it has tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid. It basically, it says it's a whitening lotion, but it really helps with redness and like post if I'm doing erythema, which I have on my face. I'm excited to try that. Then I have this black rice hyaluronic toner. My toner is running out. Oh, they gave me a sample. Tea tree relief serum. Then do I not have that? Oh, I have the green. Okay. Then I just got this. Oh, I got this lip liner. It looks much darker than I thought. It's from Etude House. And then finally, I got a serum. It's this ginseng and snail mucin. Coco, you're such a beautiful dog. Hi. What happened? What? What? Coco, your friend, Fishy, died. You look so nice in the sun. You look so beautiful. Vanessa, is your fish okay? Are you sad? Poor Fishichka.